Another feature of Schneider Electric's new Edge I/O system is how it actually comes together and how it reduces runtime costs. So I'm going to put this down for a minute. I've got a module pulled out separately. These modules are set up to have 3 different pieces. And I'm going to go ahead and take this apart real quick. So you have the terminal block, which is what your wiring all comes in. Okay. You have the I/O module itself. Like, this is the brains of it. Think about it if you had a relay or a digital or an analog, anything like that. Those chips that are making that work is in this module here. And then you have the backplane module, which is what attaches to the DIN rail and actually physically holds everything together. Now, when you're building a new rack, you're going to be ordering all 3 of these parts together. Okay? That makes an entire system. But after the system's built, let's say years and years down the road, this module fails. Well, instead of taking the whole thing apart and taking the whole rack apart like you would do on older systems, you could take your terminal out, you don't have to unwire it, and then you just pop your I/O section out and leave the backplane installed. Then, as far as cost goes, you only have to buy this. This is the only thing you need to buy and replace. This is all sold in individual pieces as well. So what's that mean for you and the maintenance personnel? That means it's less hardware and less cost that you need on the backside once the system's running to keep it up and going. So it's a really clever way of reducing runtime costs and increasing uptime.